Hey everyone, it's your girl Layla. Welcome back to my channel.
Through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays, and on we'll go.
So in today's video, I am finally doing an unboxing on the Jeffree Star mystery box. I finally was able to get one from his Valentine's Day launch. I actually haven't tried to get any of his previous mystery boxes. I think he started launching them sometime last year or something like that, and in the beginning it was just really rough. Like, a lot of his products were, people felt like they were just like overstock products that he was trying to get rid of, etc. So I just never risked getting a mystery box. Also, I knew that it would be really hard to get because a lot of people are obviously trying to get the same box. Usually sells out within like half an hour or something crazy like that. I did want one of the boxes from his Christmas launch, but I thought that it was gonna launch on Black Friday, but it actually launched on the Thursday beforehand. So I just really messed up on the dates. And you know, when I tried to get on his website, I was like, why does it say sold out? So this time around, I got the date right, and I decided to get the smaller box just to see if it was worth it or not. Maybe in the future I'll get a bigger one, but so far I got the smaller box, and I'm gonna unbox it for you guys today, as well as I'm gonna tell you guys some tips on how you guys can get a mystery box for yourself. I know that his launches are extremely stressful. Like, everything sells out super fast. You have to be on the website right at launch time or even a little bit before, but I'll get into that later in the video. Let's unbox this box. If you're not already subscribed, please go ahead, click the subscribe button below. I upload 3 times a week, Sunday, Wednesday, and Friday. So let's go ahead and get started. I'm super excited. Oh my gosh. I've had this for a couple days now, but I wanted to unbox it for you guys on camera. So I just popped the seal on this box. I did not look inside it at all, so we are gonna open this. Ooh. Okay, you guys, the first thing that I see is this red toque. I'm Canadian, so we call these toques. I know in the States they call it something else. This is so cute. I will definitely wear this. Oh my gosh. So it's red and it has the little Valentine's Day hearts here. It just says Jeffree Star. This was one of like their exclusive items, I believe. I don't think that this is available on his website. So I actually really like toques. They're very just necessary where I live to keep my head warm. Oh, that actually looks kind of cute. It doesn't go with the makeup that I'm wearing today, but I think it's cute. So happy with my first item. I just messed up my hair trying that on. Okay, so the next thing I have here is a pop socket, and it is the pink one. So I actually don't have any of his pop sockets because, like I said, this is my first mystery box. So I'm actually kind of excited for this because I had one on my Samsung S9 Plus, but I ended up selling that phone, and I didn't have like an original pop socket where you can take it off your phone and transfer it to another phone. I had the one where it was like 3M taped to the back of my case, so I don't have a pop socket right now, and I find them really handy. I can't use it with the current phone case that I have right now though. This one, like, that just would not work. But whenever I switch out my phone case to a clear one, I will definitely be using that pop socket. So I think this box comes with four items, and it was like 60, was it 60 or 65? I can't remember. So the next thing I have here is the gloss, and this looks like it's part of, again, another exclusive item because it's in a red packaging. It's in like red and pink packaging. So, gosh, this color, I can't get it out of the packaging. Okay, so wow, that's really cute. Oh my gosh. So it is a pink with a ton of glitter in there. It has like blue and gold. This gloss is really pretty. So that's what it looks like. This packaging has always reminded me of like a mini CN Tower. I don't know why, but that's what it looks like to me. So I clearly don't have this color yet. Oh my god, it smells so good. Kind of smells like the MAC vanilla lip products. Oh my god. So that's it swatched at the back of my hand. Can you guys see? I don't know if my camera's picking it up or not, but there is definitely like a really nice duochrome there. It is a gorgeous color. So it's like almost a pinky lavender if you look at it from the side, and then straight on it's just like a frosty pink with a lot of blue shimmer. I'm really excited about this gloss. I actually own only one other Jeffree Star gloss from his main collection. I think it's like candy something. That's the only other lip gloss that I have from Jeffree Star, so super excited. And the last item in here, I did not watch any spoilers for this launch, by the way, so I was really hoping for a mirror like from his new launch, because he has those like Jeffree Star approved mirrors. I really wanted one of those. I watched a couple videos on the bigger box, the one that was like $150, and I know those ones came with mirrors, but this one, okay. The last item in here is really gonna excite some people. Some people are gonna be just so happy that they got this. Unfortunately, I know what this is just looking at it. It's this. I can't believe that this is in here. It's the cheapest box, and I can't believe it comes with a full-size palette. That is insane. So this box was definitely worth it. However, I already own this palette. This is the Alien palette. I'm not going to go ahead and open this for you guys. I'm going to show you the one that I already have, because I'm probably going to sell this because it is discontinued, and I will get a little bit of money back for, you know, purchasing this box anyways, because, you know, with the conversion and stuff, $60 is kind of a lot, and the shipping price and all that stuff. So I'm going to actually probably be selling this. I know like a couple weeks ago Jeffree Star had mentioned that he was discontinuing this item, and everybody was going crazy for it. It's been sold out for a while on his site, and it's been sold out on Beautylish as well. And I was looking at eBay prices like around that time, and oh my gosh. I'm going to be trying to sell that product. I will try to sell it locally. If not, I'll sell it on eBay, but it is a really great palette, and if you guys don't have it and you purchase this box, it's definitely worth it. If you guys haven't already seen the Alien palette, I'm sure most of you have. It looks like this, and I got this last year, I think, right when it restocked. I missed it on like when it first launched, but I got it like the first restock, and I love this palette. It's awesome. I don't use it as often as I would like to, but I think the colors are so unique and different, and I can't believe he discontinued this palette. I don't know, it's crazy. So yeah, this is definitely one of my favorite palettes that he has. Like I said, I wish I would use it more often. So that is it for my unboxing for the smaller size mystery box. That was definitely worth it. Maybe next time I'll get the bigger one and do some giveaways with the items that I already have. But yeah, that was totally worth it. And if you guys didn't already own the Alien palette and you got this, you guys must have been so excited, because yeah, like I said, this is discontinued, very hard to find now. So before I let you guys go for today, I wanted to just quickly talk about launch date, like when these mystery boxes launch and how you can get one. So they're pretty difficult to get. I know that a lot of people struggle with trying to get on his website and for it to not to glitch or anything like that. So what my trick is, I go on a couple minutes before launch time and I start refreshing. So this collection, I think it was supposed to release at 11 MST, like Mountain Standard Time, and it launched at like 10:58. So it launched a couple minutes beforehand. So if you are getting on the website right at 11, then that gave, you know, other people like 2 minutes to buy the products, right? So that might be why a lot of people are missing out on these launches. Also, I recommend logging in from 2 devices. So if you're on your phone trying to buy this collection and you're in checkout waiting in line, you guys know how that is. You wait in a queue and you wait to check out. So do it from your phone as well as a computer if you can, which I find that it works a little bit better on my computer for the most part. For previous launches, it's worked better on my computer. Like I did Blue Blood and Blood Sugar, I think it was, or his summer launch, what was it, Jawbreaker. I did those, Blood Sugar and Jawbreaker, I did those 2 launches on my computer, as well as the Shane Dawson one. So I just have better luck on my computer getting the products versus on my phone, but I do log into both. And with this particular launch, it's like his website was just super glitchy. It's obviously always glitchy during his launches because so many people are on it and like destroying the server. So basically I was just waiting in a queue on my phone, and then I decided to log in from a computer, and I did that too. And I was waiting and I clicked the pay by PayPal option, and it was like loading and loading and loading, and the website like crashed and it said error or something. So I was like, oh no, I'm probably not gonna get this launch. Oh well, it's like the first time I tried anyways. But then this notification popped up on my phone, this PayPal email. It was like, please complete your purchase, click this link. So I clicked the link and it took me back to the Jeffree Star website, and I was able to check out. So that's pretty much how I got this collection. But those are just basically some tips on how you guys can get Jeffree Star items on launch dates. So just be early, go to the website a few minutes beforehand, just refresh, and use 2 devices to purchase the collection if you can. Yeah, that's pretty much it. Hopefully you guys are able to purchase from the next launch if you missed out on this one or missed out on his previous ones. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you guys soon in my next one. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button below. I upload 3 times a week, Sunday, Wednesday, and Friday, and I will see you guys soon. Bye.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side.